Welcome back, everybody. In this video, I am going to create the hub. So this one is like a perfect example of what you would want to use the revolve command or revolve tool for, this particular kind of a part. So our dimensions are going to be in inches. I'm going to go up to new, click new, make sure I'm in the English template standard, click on the create button. I'm going to start my 2D sketch on this XY plane. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. So the first thing I'm going to do is I want to create like a center line. I'm going to click a line, make a line. Just a straight vertical line. I want to make sure this thing is like super duper long. That's probably good. Right click, hit OK. So I'm gonna click this line or select it. I'm gonna turn it into a center line with this center line tool here. And then what I want to do is I'm gonna use my coincident constraint. I'm gonna find the midpoint of this line here, which is that green dot. I'm gonna click that green dot, click the origin here. So that kind of constrains our vertical center line to the origin there, right in the middle. I'm going to then start a line. I'm gonna kind of draw half of this hub, like if I was cutting a slice right through the middle. I'm gonna draw half of it. So I'm gonna start here at this origin, kind of move it over about 2 inches or so. I'm gonna move it over to the right. I'm gonna go up. I'm going to come over a little bit, go up, come over, go up, come over, come up, come over. I don't want those to line up. They probably are in line, but I don't want them to line up, so I'm going to move it a little bit past there, because I want to slap some dimensions on there. So let's see. Well, I'm gonna go up again, then come over all the way to my center line, and then go from the top down to kind of close that off. Right click, hit OK. I'm gonna start dimensioning these. So the top of this thing, from here to here, the height is, it's kind of way off. That's 1.25 there. And then from here down, that is 1. Let's see. And then from this edge to the center line, that is 4.5. The diameter, 4.5. Let's see. From this one to the center line is 2. Is that right? 2, yeah, 2. That's 2. And then let's see, this one is from here to the center line. Oops, I messed that up. So let me click this and drag it down a little bit. Then I'm going to dimension from here to my center line. That is 1.5. And from here to the center line is 1.75. 1.75. And then this one, let's see, what is this? Oh, this one is going to be in line with that. So what I can do is I'm going to use my, let me line these up. Maybe this one, collinear constraint. So click collinear. I'm going to click on this line. I'm going to click on this line, and it lines those up. And then I need to dimension the kind of the heights of these little bump outs. So this line is 0.25. From here to here, it says it's 0.5. 0.5. And from here to here is 0.25. I have that dimension. This height here, this height right here is, oh, I got that right there. That should be it. I'm looking to make sure I double check. See what I'm missing here. Yeah, so I'm going to finish my sketch. I'm going to click on the revolve tool. It's going to revolve it for me automatically. Click OK. Then I'm going to use the hole option. And I want it to go all the way through. And I want this diameter to be 1. And then I'm going to click this top surface where I want to place my hole. And then I want to make sure that hole is centered. So I'm going to click on the edge of the circle here. So that centers it up. It's going to cut a hole all the way through, 1-inch diameter. I'm going to click OK here. And then what we need to do is add the circles around the ring. So I'm going to click on Start 2D Sketch. I'm going to click on this face here. I'm going to create a circle from the center. And that's going to be 3.25 for my diameter here. And then I'm going to select this line, or the circle, I'm sorry. I'm going to turn it into a construction line. I want to draw a circle. The center point is going to be it's going to be on the circle and then in line with the axis here. Click there, I'm going to drag out. That has a diameter of 0.375. 0.375. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish my sketch. I want to extrude that circle. I want to cut it all the way through. And then what I want to do is I'm going to use the pattern, the circular pattern. Where are you at? Here, circular pattern. And for my feature, I'm going to select this kind of extruded hole. So that's going to be my feature. My rotation axis is going to be this. I'm just going to click the inside surface of this cylinder here. And I want those. There's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's going to be 8 total holes. And they're going to be 360 degrees around it. And then I'm just going to click OK here. And let me look at the top. So yeah, that is our hub. Let me fix the view. Turn some shadows on. Maybe we'll add photo booth light for the color or texture. Put whatever you want. You put whatever you want. How about a pink one? I like it. I like it. Black pink in your area. All right, so yeah, just make sure we're gonna save. I'm gonna save it as a hub. What's all the hubbub? H-U-B, not H-E-B. That does sound good though. Some groceries. We're gonna go H-U-B. Save it, and we're done with that. So hope that helped. What is the next one that we're gonna work on? Switch base. That looks fun. All right, so make sure you come back. We're gonna do the switch base next. So I'll see y'all later. Peace.